Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. I always enjoy covering diversified models and frameworks. And that is why in this video I present you AraCLIP, which is a clip style model. We are going to install this model locally and then I will show you what exactly this model is. But before that, let's try to understand in very simple words as what exactly is meant by clip or contrastive language image pre-training model. Clip model is a model to connect images and text. The main job of clip is to understand relationships between pictures and their textual descriptions. Clip is trained so that given an image, it can find the correct textual descriptions from a group of possibilities or vice versa. Now, what is AraCLIP? AraCLIP is a model specifically built for Arabic language tasks and image retrieval. It is based on the clip but customized for the Arabic language. AraCLIP is designed to better grasp Arabic cultural concepts, language nuances, and context, making it more accurate for handling Arabic text based images, retrieval tasks, and few others. And we will also test it out once we get it installed locally. The training of AraCLIP is also quite interesting. Let me make this image a bit bigger so that you would also see. Now, if you look here, in this they have used three stages. In the first stage, an English clip model has been used, and that has already been trained to link English text and images together. So if you give this model an image and its English caption, it produces embeddings, numerical descriptions that are very similar, or in other words has very high cosine similarity, as you can see 0.9. Then comes stage 2. In this stage, they have taken this English model, which they called as a teacher, along with a pre-trained Arabic language model called as AraBert, which is a student, and then they have translated captions into Arabic and fed them into AraBert. They trained AraBert to produce embeddings similar to those produced by the English model for the corresponding English captions. The difference between their embeddings is reduced by minimizing what is called as mean squared error, or MSE. This way, AraBert, which is a student, learns to connect Arabic language text to the same image concepts understood by the English model teacher, and I believe that is very, very nifty. And then comes evaluation stage 3, where they have tested how well AraBert, which has now become the Arabic text model, connects images with Arabic textual descriptions. Tests are done on Arabic datasets such as Arabic XTD10 and Arabic Flickr 8K to see if it can retrieve the relevant images accordingly. So in short, what AraCLIP is doing, it is learning by transferring knowledge from a well-trained English model to a new Arabic model, enabling the new model to understand connection between Arabic text and images effectively. So let's try to get it installed and we will see how it works. Let me give a huge shout out to Mast Compute for sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. This is my VM and this is my GPU, NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let me create a virtual environment. And by the way, if you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to Mast Compute in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a discount coupon of 50% for a range of GPUs, so please do check them out. And that is done. Let's install this AraCLIP's GitHub repo from the source with this pip command in our virtual environment. And while it gets installed, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And then, as I have created a custom Gradio application on top of it, so I'm just going to install Gradio, Pillow, and few other things, which is going to be very quick. All the prerequisites are done, and I have written a custom code with just a Gradio wrapper on top of this model. So let me show you that code. So this is where I'm just importing the Gradio and AraCLIP from the repo which we have just installed. We are then downloading the model, and then there are a few things which I'm doing around labeling and getting the image features, text feature, and comparing them. So most of the code is from their Hugging Face repo, which you can check out, and I have just put in Gradio GUI on top of it. So let me run this app.py and then we can check it out. So let me run it. It is first going to download the model, by the way. There you go. It has started downloading the model and tokenizer. So let's wait for it. And there you go. Our GridU demo is running. So let me open it in my browser at localhost at port 7860. And there you go. We have this AraCLIP. And as I have embedded their own code, so I just got this example too. So I'm just going to click on it and it has selected that image of text, cat. And this is the text or the labels. So I believe one of them means cat. So let's run this to see what is happening. And after running, it has identified that this is the most probable label. So if I just put it in Google Translate, it means cat. Okay, that is good. I'm sure that rest of the Gulb is, I think it is dog. Let's check it out. Yes. And I'm not sure what this means, so let's check it out too. Horse. Okay. So let's try out one more image. And there you go. In the next example, I have given this image of a clock, and then once I run it, there you go. So it has detected it right. So this is a Saat, the last one. I know that my pronunciation is not right. So if you're an Arabic speaker, please let me know. So it has closely matched the hour with the clock. And now I am selecting this image of a truck, and then let me put in these Arabic words which I have got from Google Translate. Let's run it to see what it does. There you go. So it has selected this one. Let me quickly check it in the Google Translate. I'll just cancel this, run it here. A truck. Very nice. And by the way, let me quickly show you the VRAM consumption. There you go. So it is not even using any GPU. It is running all on CPU, and you can see how quick that is. Okay, so next up, I'm just going to give it this image of a girl, and then I'm just going to give it few of the labels. And I believe this last one is the correct one, but let's check it out what it does here. Let's submit. There you go. So it has selected it right. Yep, that's true. That's very nice. Okay, so that's good. So you see that the labeling and the clip model is working really fine. I think they have done wonderfully well. I'm especially very impressed by these stages. And if you're looking for an Arabic clip model, this is a very good choice in my humble opinion. Check it out. I will drop the link to it in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And also, if you're looking for other Arabic or other language diversified models, please just search my channel. I have done heaps of them. So again, if you like them, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.